Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to fix Roblox not loading the game. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. Check other websites to confirm. Next, completely close the Roblox application and then reopen it. Often, a simple app restart resolves minor issues. If the problem continues, restart your entire computer or mobile device to clear temporary system glitches. This initial set of steps fixes many common loading problems. Your system can accumulate corrupted temporary files and cache data, hindering game loading. Start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies if you play through a web browser. For the desktop application, locate and delete Roblox's temporary files, typically found in your app data folder. If these actions do not help, a complete uninstallation and fresh reinstallation of the Roblox game client is often the most effective method, ensuring you have clean, uncorrupted files. Your computer's firewall or antivirus software might be preventing Roblox from loading. Temporarily disable these programs to check for interference. Remember to re-enable them afterwards. Verify that Roblox is specifically whitelisted in your network's security settings. If you experience persistent issues, particularly with regional blocks, using a reputable virtual private network, or VPN, can sometimes resolve connectivity problems, allowing the game to load without interruption. Lowering your in-game graphics settings can significantly reduce system strain, helping Roblox load faster. Always ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest version, as outdated drivers are a common cause of loading failures and performance issues. Verify that your computer meets Roblox's minimum system requirements. For instance, at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor are generally recommended. Addressing these can often resolve persistent loading problems effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.